Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can add the post notifications that you see on most of the websites nowadays and how you can add in your own website using the simple tricks and tips. We are going to use the React Code Toast. Okay, it is a library that you can use for showing the beautiful toast messages on your website only. It is very grateful if you want to show a success message or a error message. Okay, so let's dive into it. So the first step is to install this library. So I am going to open the VS Code. So I am in the VS Code and let's create a new React project. Okay, so I have created a React application and started on this 5173. Okay, you can go to this one and we are having a basic React application. Now we are going to add the toast notification. So the first step is to run this command npm install react hot toast. This will add a toast library into your React project or Next.js project. So let's do that. Now the second step is to add this toaster inside our app component. Now let's go to the main.jsx and here we can add a toaster, right? And this component will handle all the toast messages for us. Now the third step is to trigger the toast messages. We can use the toast.success and toast.error for showing the error and the success messages. So let's try to do that. Go to the app component and whenever the count changes, let's try to display a success message that it updated. So we can use the use effect and we can give a callback over here and we can give a pass an array of count, right? Now whenever this changes, we can just simply say toast.success count updated, right? And we can go over here and it is saying count updated. And when I click over here and you can see we are having the all the things. And if you want to show an error message, you can just simply say toast.error count not updated like this. And we are having, you can see we are having both the error and the success messages. Now let's try to customize this toast over here. But we can see, we can say toast. Okay, we have to pass the message count updated. We can pass the icon, right? The icon, let's try to pass the icon as hash only. And also we can pass this type. Let's say background should be dark or be black and the text or the color should be white. Now let's try to check this one. You can see we are having all the things. If I click over here, you can see we are having this custom toast over here. If I remove both of these and click over here, you can see we are having the custom toast over here. You have successfully added the toast notification in your application. Now you can show all the toast messages inside your application. So that's all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.